People don't like that slimy skin. Amphibians is what caught my heart. They are amazing creatures. They live in amazing places.
Leda dos Santos has focused her thesis on saving amphibians by getting people to like them as much as she does.
That our biodiversity is shrinking is no news to any of us. We are leaving the sixth mass extinction, and for some species it's already too late. This group of animals, amphibians, are the most threatened groups of vertebrates in the world.
43% of amphibians are under threat, and this decline has been caused by human impact.
They've been walking on land 200 million years, they're walking with the dinosaurs, and suddenly we are having these amphibians disappearing under our eyes. Mostly habitat destruction, fragmentation, pollution, particular plants, so lack of the biodiversity growing, increasing introduced and invasive predators. It's a multitude of those factors, so it's not only the factor itself, but an interaction of those factors. We don't want the future generation to not have any biodiversity, particularly amphibians. So why amphibians? Amphibians are not only important for the well-being of our ecosystem, they play a major role on the food web and the food chain. Indirectly, they help us humans too. Amphibians are used in medicine to cure diseases. They have important secretion on the glands. They are separating particular proteins that are important antibiotics for curing diseases in the future. Amphibian larvae eat insects, control insects. So in the future, with climate change, we don't know what diseases can turn up where, and amphibians can help controlling that.
Leda has created a variety of methods to engage and educate a wide audience.
I created a few resources. One of them is an online learning platform where there is a lot of information based on the school curricula for the students to go and learn on their own. And it's quite fun and interesting ways to play. I also took them out to Warakanui, to the department, to get to know amphibians of New Zealand a bit closer. The students have had full interactions. Through education, we can inspire others, and I've seen this during my almost 20 years teaching. After 10 years, come back to my class and turn up and say, "Miss, it's because of you I've done this." So I know from experience that we can inspire others. I wish you were a prince.